Everyone tells you that if you just work hard, you will become rich, but here's the truth they don't want to say out loud. Being rich is not always about working hard. It's about working smart, leverage system and knowing the rules of money. Game most people never learn. There are people working 12-hour shifts, 6 days a week, barely making ends meet. And then there are other making 6 or 7 figures from a laptop, working a few hours a day. So what's the difference? It starts with understanding how money actually works. The traditional path says go to school, get a degree, land a job, climb the ladder. But the system is designed to keep you in a loop, trading time for money. The rich play a different game. They build assets, they invest in knowledge, people and scalable systems. They don't just work for money, they make money work for them. The internet has shifted everything. We are living in an era where a digital product, a high converting funnel, or a well targeted ad campaign can bring in more revenue in a month than most people make in a year. You don't need million followers or a fancy office. You need the right offer, the right positioning, and the right system behind it. This is where niche marketing and financial strategy come together. Let's talk leverage. The wealthy understand leverage in all forms: time, money, and attention. They hire people smarter than them. They use automation tools to build email lists that print money. They run paid ads with ROIs most people can't imagine. They understand that scaling is not about working more hours, it's about removing themselves from the equation while still growing the business. Passive income is not a myth, it just requires upfront execution and system, a well structured membership site, a digital course, a productized service. These can all generate revenue on autopilot while you sleep. But here's the part they don't teach in school: wealth is built when you stop thinking like a consumer and start thinking like an investor, not just in stocks or crypto, but in skills, tools, and scalable infrastructure. If you're serious about building real wealth, stop asking how to work harder. Start asking how to create more valuable and scale. How to build something once that pays you forever. That's how the new rich think. Not trapped in hustle, but free because of leverage, asset, and smart systems. So yes, hard work has its place. But if hard work alone made people rich, construction workers and nurses would be millionaire. Wealth doesn't come from effort, it comes from strategy, vision, and execution. The moment you understand that, everything changes.